What's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna show you on how to get freeform dreads from freeform dreads like these, you know. I'm gonna show y'all like I've been growing these for like a year and a couple months, you feel me? And this is how I started. I'll put a picture right here. This is how I started. So what you're gonna need, these are the most important things you're gonna need. You're gonna need this, you're gonna need a towel. This motherfucker gonna open the gates for you for everything. You're gonna need this, and you're gonna need this too. Gonna need this too. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here. Gonna need that too. Those are the only things you're gonna need. And the third thing is your patience. You feel me? So first, this is how everything started, as I mentioned. You know what I started by doing? Started by coiling my hair for like whilst it was still small. You know, started coiling it and stuff. And then after that, I let it be. You feel me? I used coconut oil just to moisturize it, you know. And the most important thing, don't wash your hair. I know there's criticism on washing your hair and not whilst doing freeform dreads, but I'm telling you what worked for me, which was I didn't wash my hair for like, I might sound nasty, but I didn't wash my hair for like 7 months or so, 7 to 6 months or so.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
So it locked up. I kept it clean, as in like I kept it smelling good and all of that stuff, you know. And no, all is well though now. Like I wash my hair now because it's longer and it's already locked up, so it's like that, you feel me? So what you're gonna wanna do is coil your hair. Already you've done that, coil your hair. As I already mentioned, don't wash it, right? So what you're gonna use this for, you're gonna use this motherfucker every day, because I used it every day, so I feel like you should use it every day too. So what you want to do each and every morning, you feel me? Just rotate it in your head, rotate it each and every, damn. Yeah, you're gonna rotate it each and every day, you feel me? Like rotate it in your head each and every time, each and every day. So you're gonna, alright, so what you're gonna need this for, I feel like you're gonna need this for later on when your hair gets longer, but what this is for, it's black castor oil, right? So you're gonna use this to moisturize your hair, and it also helps with the growth, you feel me? So just having this too, you can reach this point, you feel me? So yeah, you're gonna apply this like, I don't know, like it's gonna depend on how you feel, you know. Like it's gonna depend on you, you know. So you can apply it every day. I used to apply it like from time to time, as in like a week is 7 days, like maybe like 3 times a week or so. So it used to depend. So this helps with the strength of your hair. It strengthens your hair. It also helps with the color of your hair, you know. It can make it look darker compared to, because when you don't wash it, my hair used to look whitish, but now it's a bit better, you feel me, after I started using this.
I hate to say this, but none of us give a fuck of your background and what you are. I'm just being honest.
This type of black castor oil, you feel me? So you're gonna wanna apply it straight on your roots, like on your hair, and then just go back to this motherfucker. This motherfucker gonna do a lot for you, fam. I would recommend a sponge, but I've never used a sponge, so I can't recommend something I've never used. So, but nonetheless, that's about it for the tutorial. if you missed any, if you're confused on anything, or want to ask more questions and anything of that nature, comment down in the comments, and then I'll make a video or something of that nature. And then yeah, fuck.